This video is for how to thread the wire. Firstly, you need to select the wire. It has 4 tensioners because each stator have 2 coils and it's double station, so it have 4 coils winding at the same time.
是自己做的没？买的。
Then thread wire here. 穿一遍。慢一点哈。And thread to here, then you can cut another part wire. It's oh sorry. Then the wire will come out this side. Then the wire come out here. Oh, sorry. Then you can make a tie about the wire. Because it's each station have 2 coils, so that means it have 2 wires. Then it's through. Then that's down. See?
然后这个挂下去。 Here to here. This is could be like this. 等一下我看一下。This is with so here we make a tie, so you could cut it. This part is no need to use. This is the correct one. 然后呢？ And pull it longer. 然后呢？ And through the wire out of the 2 pieces nozzle. 把它夹到怎么加线？
英文。Then you 等一下。
这个英文。
Then you need to make collect the wire. First, enter the manual mode. 然后呢？ You need to select this draw 3. It's a 12 number. Then you 12. Okay. This each number it will be introduced in the instruction manual for the information. Then you press the start button and could be check. 我可以再按一下吗？
按照它的加速。
对。然后 after the clamp come down, pull the one side, then pull like this and press start button again. Then this side is okay now. 这边好了。
对，然后再变这个14。
Then change to 14. It is for the right button clamp and press the start button again.
很好。
Okay. And pull it. 好了是吧？ Press the start button again to make sure it clamped. Then pull out the wire. Then that's down. And the left station is the same work.